Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm making this video after a very long time. And in today's video we are going to explore how to use Instagram. Yes, you read that right. How to use Instagram to improve your English skills. But before we head on directly into the video, I'd like to tell you to take care of yourself and your loved ones during this second wave of COVID. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. सो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि जो आप अपने फोन को सारा दिन यूज करते रहते हो और अपने घर वालों के ताने सुनते रहते हो कि फोन को इतना स्क्रॉल मत करो, इंस्टाग्राम पे अपना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कैसे आप इस ऐप को, इंस्टाग्राम, जिसको आप टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए, स्क्रॉल करने के लिए, मीम्स देखने के लिए, रील्स देखने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हो, उसी ऐप को, उसी ऐप को आप आपके काम के लिए, आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. दिस video is going to be useful for everyone who needs to improve their English skills. No matter whether you are a student, you are an aspirant, you are working, you are a professional, you do not have to be from the English subject actually to listen to this video or to take help from this video. This video can be helpful for anyone who wishes to increase the basic English skills, speaking, listening, grammar, everything, right? So on that note, let's start the video. The very first page that I will be suggesting you is called Merriam-Webster, which is a very famous website, of course. You can not only check their website, but you can also follow their Instagram page, which is actually quite helpful because it will give you a lot of new vocabulary, right? As you can see, the next page that I'd like to suggest you is called English Grammar and Idioms, which you can see has got a whooping number of 1 million followers on Instagram. It is also quite useful for learning new vocab, for learning pronunciations, how to spell a word, how to, improve your English skills. And you can also share this video with your friends and tell them how to use Instagram the right way, right? So the next page I'm going to suggest you is called Idiom Land. Yep. So in this page, they'll tell you about all interesting idioms which you find boring while reading from a book. The next page is called Ed Explains English. It is also a very interesting page. The next page I will be recommending is called dictionary.com. This one is quite hard one. It can just, make it very difficult for you to even pronounce these words, but it's very interesting. I recommend that you do give it a check. The next page on our very dear Instagram app that I'm going to suggest you is called Nudge. Actually, Nudge is also an app and they also have a page which is quite helpful. The next in line is called Cambridge English. It is, of course, from Cambridge, UK. And if you didn't know about all these information before, then I wish that you will share this video with all your friends. And the next page I'll be talking about is called Cake English. It is also an app like Nudge. And here you can find very interesting phrasal verbs, grammar, speaking skills, writing skills. And quickly we move on to the next page, which is called BBC Learning English, which has got around 3M followers, right? Which is very helpful. So the next time you're using Instagram and somebody tells you not to waste your time, you can just show them these stuff, right? The next page I'm going to tell you is this, English Forward Blockchain. It is also a very interesting page. As you can see, it will give you the correct usage, new vocab, how to pronounce a word, correct grammar, etc. Last but not the least, Grammarly. Grammarly is, of course, a Chrome extension you can use, but here on the page also, it can be helpful. You can follow it and you may not. It depends whether the post is helpful, right? And we also have this page called the English Lovers. It has also got some interesting vocab. These are not that important. I've just added them to make the list a consolidated one. Another very quick tip that I'm going to give you, if you've been watching the video till the end and if you've followed all these pages, then the most helpful tip that I'm going to give you is to search by keyword. Yes, friends, you can just search hashtag grammar, hashtag English speaking, whatever your skills are. You can just search them in the search bar of any app like Instagram, and you can just follow that hashtag and your feed will pop up with very interesting posts from pages which you might not be following. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I usually forget to tell people to subscribe, but if you like the content, do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.